Good morning, everyone. Here I'm Sri Sriatmiati. I would like to present the result with title Phenotypic and Genotypic Identification to Staphylococcus aureus Isolate Origin from Cattle in Bogor. Staphylococcus aureus is a bacteria that causes many infectious diseases and disrupt the health of human and animals. In dairy cows, S. aureus is a type of bacteria that causes clinical and subclinical mastitis. Infection by this bacteria can cause economic losses for the world dairy industry. This bacterium is also an opportunistic pathogen which causes superficial skin and soft tissue infections and potentially life-threatening invasive diseases such as bacteremia, pneumonia, endocarditis, and osteomyelitis. Best identification method for S. aureus is important in clinical microbiology diagnostics such as phenotypic and genotypic methods. Phenotypic methods include the culture method, followed by gram staining, fermentation, catalase, and coagulase test. And genotypic methods include comparative methods based on standard band electrophoresis, genome characterization, and sequencing method. Based the result from phenotypic examination is the isolation of S. aureus bacteria using Baird-Parker-Argan media from oxide. Macroscopic morphology of S. aureus colony is shown by round, smooth, convex to until 3 mm in diameter, gray to black in color, clear around the edges of the colonies or halo formation. The colonies have a fatty, sticky consistency when picked up with an inoculation needle. Here we use S. aureus isolate ATCC 25923 from PT Multi Rejeki as a positive control. Bacterial identification is carried out using several methods: gram staining, catalase test, and coagulase test. Staphylococcus aureus produces the enzyme coagulase, which is a polypeptide that binds and activates prothrombin, thereby converting fibrinogen into fibrin and increasing plasma or blood clotting. Confirmation of S. aureus isolate was carried out using the conventional PCR method. DNA extraction was performed previously before PCR using DNA extraction kit from Kaijin, following the manufacturer's procedures. The conventional PCR methods uses top-tech PCR master mix to confirm S. aureus targeting the NAC gene with an amplicon length of 270 base pairs. The primary used in this in the PCR process is the forward and reverse primer from Ku et al. 2021. The NAC gene is a virulence factor and one of the important characteristics that can be used to differentiate S. aureus from Staphylococcus species. The NAC gene is generally used as a specific target to identify S. aureus by PCR. Here there were 7 isolates in total are positively detected for having the NAC genes, which indicated has virulence factor of S. aureus strain. That's all. Thank you for your attention.